My name is Kelsey Prihota. I use she, her pronouns, and I work with Minnesota Sea Grant, and I am the Great Lakes Transportation Extension Educator. So today we are at the Lake Superior Maritime Visitor Center, right on the beautiful port of Duluth Superior, and we are doing a professional development workshop for educators. We have speakers from the UMD Large Lakes Observatory. We have speakers from the National Weather Service who are teaching our educators about forecasting and weather observations and water quality observations. But we also are doing really fun things like a scavenger hunt at the Lake Superior Maritime Visitor Center. We're doing later on today a walk on the Duluth Entry so that we can learn a little bit about the history of the Duluth Entry and why it was built and when it was built and why it's important. We're doing really fun mapping exercises as a group, really trying to create networking opportunities for the educators because they're coming from all over the state of Minnesota, and we have some Wisconsin participants as well. So really trying to make it a fun day, provide examples of ways that educators can bring this information to their learners by kind of modeling that. And then we'll wrap up the day with some discussion about ways that the educators can use the information they got today to answer questions about the natural world. What we're really hoping is that educators will use this information that we bring to them today with their students to be able to teach them about data science. So everything that we're talking about today is like huge, massive data sets going back over many, many years. And that can be pretty daunting, but breaking that down to what's happening just in the port of Duluth Superior, what's happening in Western Lake Superior, and having the students ask questions that they're curious about, and then showing them how they can use the data to be able to answer those questions. One of the things that we're doing today is to introduce the participants to resources that we have available at Minnesota Sea Grant. So whether that's through the Center for Great Lakes Literacy or our extension programming, one of the things that we're super excited to sort of unveil in a way is this Great Lakes Shipping 101 curriculum that we are developing. We have an education specialist who specializes in curriculum development who is helping us out with this, and we're going to give a little sneak peek during the day of the 6 lessons that are part of this curriculum and get the educators kind of excited to use it before it's actually complete and publicly available. So everybody should stay tuned for some Great Lakes Shipping 101 curriculum.
Kayla Swanson, she, her pronouns, and I am an 8th grade social studies teacher at Ashland Middle School in Wisconsin. One thing actually that's not what we just did was learning about the kits from Minnesota Sea Grant, and part of our curriculum at my school is learning about invasive species, so I'm excited to bring a hands-on learning kit to them, to give them that.
I'm Haley McCauley. I use she, her pronouns. I'm a naturalist at Wolfridge Environmental Learning Center. I love the map and the stream study kit that was presented to us. I think a lot of the kids would get a really big kick out of that, being able to see like macro invertebrates really up close like that.
Hi, I'm Jake Behrens. I use he, him pronouns. I work at Great Lakes Aquarium as the volunteer coordinator. I really enjoyed the I have, you have activity with the cards because it helped us identify important stops for shipping along the Great Lakes, as well as important products and the ships that carry them. And those are things that I'm hoping to bring back to Great Lakes Aquarium and share new ways for my volunteers to talk to guests about that.